Hey guys, and I'm gonna show you how to do Jacob's Ladder. So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe. So yeah, and sorry if I keep pushing it, it looks better. Okay, so first you have to start off in the witch's ladder position. Put it over, like that. Open it, and then you do the same thing on this hand. And then you use your pointer fingers to go under it and pull it on both hands. And then it should look like this. Then you let go of your thumb. And then you have to grab the one in the back or the one in the behind and bring it forward like this. You go over the first one, grab the second one. Then you have to let go of your pinkies. Then it should look like this, in my perspective, like this. Then you go over the first one, like this. You grab the second one, like that. They just look like this. I call them bad eyes. Oh yeah. And then when you do that, you let go of your thumb. Then go to the third one. 1, 2, 3. So I grab this one. They should look like this. Okay, so this is kind of complicated part in this one. So you grab this part of the arm of your pointer finger and put it over your thumb like that. And the one under the new replacement on the other side of the thumb. And you do it the same thing on this side, like such as this. Then there should be 2 triangles, 1 right here and 2 right here. Where I'm putting my pointer fingers is where it's going to be. So you put your pointer fingers right here, and then you're going to turn and let go of your pinky. But it's easier for me if I just let go of my pinkies and then turn like this. That, let go of your pinkies, and then you turn, and then you open, like that. But let me show you the other way to do it, which is more complicated. Oof. There you go, okay. Okay, so you can just do it like at the exact same time, like that. So yeah, I just taught you how to do Jacob's Ladder. Like I said again, like and subscribe, and watch the next video on the Everything channel. Bye!